Good afternoon, children. Good afternoon, parents. How are you all? You all are fine? Yes. So, children, say good afternoon. Say good afternoon, teacher. Loudly. Yes. So, children, previous lecture what we have done? Do you know previous lecture what we have done? Do you remember? स्टोरी है ना. हम लोग ने क्या किया था प्रीवियस लेक्चर? स्टोरी. विच स्टोरी वी हैव टेकन? आपको ओरल एग्जाम में भी टीचर ने पूछा था स्टोरी लायन एंड द माउस, बट किसी ने नहीं दिया. क्यों? आपको लायन एंड द माउस टीचर ने कितनी बार सिखाया है ना, तो भी आपने लायन एंड द माउस किसी ने नहीं बोला है. आपको कंटिन्यू प्रैक्टिस करना है. ओके. उसके वर्ड हार्ड है बट एटलीस्ट 2 लाइन्स आपको प्रैक्टिस देना है. ओके. कम ऑन से व्हाट इज अवर टुडेज डेट चिल्ड्रन? 16. व्हाट इज अवर टुडेज डेट? 16. मंथ February and year 2021. What is our today's date? 16. Okay. And subject story. What is our subject? Story. Okay. So remove your page number 44. Remove page number 44. Removed everyone. Book number 4. Book number 4. Page number 44. This book. Come on, fast. Yes. So, children, last time what we have done? Story. Which? The Lion and the Mouse. Till where we have stopped? Let the mouse go. Okay. So, today we will do next new line. Okay. What is our next new line? See. One day, the mouse heard. One day, the mouse heard the lion roar. In pain. In pain. He rushed to the lion and saw him trapped in a net. In a net. He called his friends. He called his friends and together with them. Together with them. Nibbled the net to release the lion. The lion was soon free from his trap. He thanked the mouse and they become friends. Moral. What is moral of story? Little act. Little act means जो छोटा जो चूहा है उसने क्या बताया? काइंडनेस यानी दया. Of kindness will always be rewarded in return. Okay. So children, again we will repeat. Come on, say. You have to say after me. Say, one day the mouse heard the lion roar in pain. He rushed to the lion and saw him trapped in a net. He called his friends and together with them nibbled the net to release release the the lion. The lion the lion was soon free free from his trap. He he thanked the he thanked the mouse and they become friends. Moral of the story: little act of little act of kindness will will always be rewarded in return. Now see what we have seen. One day the mouse heard. One day means एक दिन छोटे चूहे ने बड़े लायन का आवाज सुना. रोड इन अ पेन यानी उसको कुछ तो भी दर्द हो रहा है इसलिए वो जोर जोर से चिल्ला रहे. ही रश्ड टू द लायन यानी माउस किसकी तरफ दौड़ने निकल गया? लायन की तरफ. ही रश्ड टू द लायन एंड सॉ हिम ट्रैप्ड इन ए नेट यानी चूहे ने क्या देखा कि लायन को चोट तो लगी है बट उसको किसी ने जाली से बांध के रखा है. ट्रैप्ड अ नेट. ही कॉल्ड हिज फ्रेंड. फिर चूहे ने क्या किया? उसके फ्रेंड्स को भी उसके साथ में बुलाया. ही कॉल्ड हिज फ्रेंड्स एंड टुगेदर मीन्स सब लोग साथ में आके विद द निबल यानी उसके जो दांत थे उससे वो क्या करने लगे? चूहे लोग जो नेट की जाली थी उसको क्या करने लगे? तोड़ने लगे. टू रिलीज द लायन यानी लायन को उन जाली में से निकाल दिया. द लायन वॉज सून फ्री. द लायन एकदम फ्री हो गया. क्यों? क्योंकि उसके आंख पे जाली बिछाई हुई थी. द लायन वॉज सून फ्री फ्रॉम हिज ट्रैप. He thanked the mouse and they become friends. Moral of the story: little act of kindness will be rewarded in return. Got it, children? Yes. Now you have to say with action. Okay? From starting onwards I am taking. Say our story name is The Lion and the Mouse. Say one day a lion, the king of jungle, was enjoying his afternoon nap. A mouse was playing nearby and soon began to run up and down on him. The lion, repeat after me, the lion woke up with a roar and grabbed the mouse. How dare you wake me up? He shouted. he shouted as he shook the mouse in his tail. Please, please, let me go. Please, let me go. One day, one day, I will surely, surely return your, your kind favor. The mouse, the mouse laughed, the mouse laughed at the idea of a little mouse saving the king of jungle and let the mouse go. One day, the mouse heard, heard the lion roar, lion roar in a pain, in a pain. He rushed to the lion and saw him trapped in a net. यानी चूहे ने क्या देखा कि बड़ा सा लायन को किसी ने जाली में बिछा के रखा है. He called his friends and together with them nibbled the net to release the garden, to release the lion. The lion was free from his own he thanked mouse and become friend. Okay, now we will do with action. Okay, come on, stand up all of you children. Come on, stand up. Yes, so we will do with action. Okay, say our poem name is The Lion and the Mouse. One day, the lion, the king of jungle, was sleeping his afternoon nap. A mouse was playing nearby and soon began to up and down on him. The lion woke up with a roar and grabbed the mouse. How dare you wake me up? He shouted. How dare you wake me up. How dare you wake up? Has he shoot his neck? Has he shoot has the neck mouse in his fist? He shoot her neck the mouse in his fist. Let me go today. Please, please, please. Let me go. One day I will surely return your kind favor. Over this line? Yes. So next line. What is our next line? One day the lion, one day the mouse heard the one day the mouse heard the lion roar in a pain. He rushed he rushed to the lion and saw him trapped in a net. He called his friend and together with them nibbled the net to release the mouse. The lion was soon free from his trap. He thanked the mouse and they become friends. Moral of the story: little act of kindness will surely rewarded in return. So parents, today I have completed full poem The Lion and the Mouse. First of all, I have continued from 1 to friends. So and again I have taken full story. So आपको क्या करना है, डेली बच्चों को 2-2 लाइन करके भी प्रैक्टिस देना है. जो हार्ड वर्ड है वो उनको थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट करके भी आप पढ़ा सकते हो. Okay parents, okay children, so keep on practicing of GK, conversation, story, poem, English, maths. Okay, so you will practice. Hope you will do your homework time to time. Okay, very good. So today we will end our this topic and we will take another topic for next lecture. Okay, till then, bye, take care, have a nice day.